Hey there, how and wow fans! Ever wondered how those dazzling bolts of lightning light up the sky? Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of lightning. Buckle up, because it's going to be a shocking ride. It all starts with a thunderstorm. Picture this: warm air rises, and as it climbs higher, it cools down and forms clouds. But not just any clouds. These are cumulonimbus clouds, the giants of the sky. Inside these clouds, tiny ice crystals and water droplets are having a party, bumping into each other. This creates a separation of charges. The top of the cloud gets positively charged, while the bottom becomes negatively charged. It's like a giant battery in the sky. Now, when the difference in charge between the top and bottom of the cloud becomes too great, boom! A giant spark of electricity, known as lightning, is released. This can happen within the cloud, between clouds, or between the cloud and the ground. But wait, there's more. When lightning strikes, it heats the air around it to a scorching 30,000 Kelvin, 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. This rapid heating causes the air to expand explosively, creating the sound we know as thunder. Fun fact: did you know that lightning can strike the same place twice? It's true. And lightning bolts can be up to 5 miles long and contain 1 billion volts of electricity. So next time you see a lightning storm, you'll know the science behind those brilliant flashes. Stay safe and keep wondering how and why things happen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more